Good morning, students. How are you all? Let's start our day with the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Today we will start lesson number 2 of movement. What is a force? We will read page number 104 till 106 of your textbook. Today's learning objectives are that you will be able to learn about what forces can move objects and how forces change the way things move. Students, in previous lesson, we have learned about movement. Movement is an act of moving. We can use force and object can move from one place to another place. Today we will learn about force. A force is a push or pull. We use forces every day, like we will pull a door open and we will push the door closed. In this way, we are using forces in our daily life. A force can change how objects move. It can start an object moving. Sometimes it can stop a moving object. Sometimes it can change the direction of a moving object. Students, you know that motion is the second name of movement. It is the act of moving. When we use more force, the motion of an object changes more. When we use less force, the motion of an object changes less. Now students, open page number 104 of your textbook. First of all, you will write day, classwork and date. Now look at question number 1. Read, mark, tick the box to show if the picture shows a push or pull. Now I will read the text at first. Listen carefully. Force. A force is a push or pull. You use forces every day. You pull a drawer open. You push a drawer closed. Now students, look at the pictures and complete the given chart. In first picture you have seen a girl is pushing the trolley. So mark tick in the first column push in front of the picture because girl is pushing the trolley. Look at the second picture. A boy pulls a baby cart. So mark tick in second box pull. In third picture you have seen that dogs pull the cart. So again mark tick in second column in front of the picture. Now students, move on question number 2. Here you will draw anything you push like a drawer, toy car, trolley, etc. Now in the third one, you will draw something you pull like a door when you open it. Now students, move on. Page number 105. Look at question number 4. What can force do? Say as a class. I will read the text. Listen carefully. What a force can do? A force can change how objects move. It can start an object moving. A force can stop a moving object. A force can change the direction of a moving object. Students, we have already discussed that force can change objects' movement. Something it can start moving or sometimes it can stop moving. Now, next question, question number 5. Read the sentences and number the pictures. Look at first sentence. A force can change the direction of an object. Now look at the pictures. Second picture shows a force can change the direction of an object. So write 1 in the box of second picture. Second sentence is a force can stop a moving object. So look at the pictures. Third picture shows that this. So write number 2 in the third picture. Third sentence is a force can start an object moving. First picture shows this. So write number 3 in the first picture. Now students, move on page number 106. Look at question number 6. We will read the text and then discuss. Listen carefully. More force, less force. Motion is an act of moving. Use more force, the motion of an object changes more. Use less force, the motion of an object changes less. Students, we have already discussed that motion is movement. When we use more force, the speed of object will increase, or if we use less force, the motion or movement changes less. Now look at question number 7. Look at the pictures. How can the mother change the motion of the swing less? When the mother uses less force, the motion of the swing less. Now second picture. How can the boy change the motion of the bike more? When the boy uses more force on pedals of the bike, it will move fast. Now look at question number 8. Draw yourself stopping a moving object. Here you will draw yourself stopping any moving object. Now students, you will do homework in your science notebooks. First of all, you will write day, homework and date. Then you will do fill in the blanks. First one is a dash moves an object away from you. Number 2, a dash moves an object towards you. Number 3 is use dash force. The motion of an object changes more. Now you will complete the blanks. Now look at question number 2. What is motion? So you will write down the definition of the motion in the given question. That's all for today. See you in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.